Okay, great. Okay, I'm a little bit late today. I bought some AYTU pre-market. Has a great looking chart, had a good PR. See if it can make a run. And also HDBX, another virus stock I'm keeping an eye on here. We also had a PR. Other than that, there's a bunch of beaten down stocks I'm watching. Probably not gonna trade anyone. Probably not. There's just too many. I'm gonna focus on Zoom is gapping higher. What an amazing stock. Yeah, so I'm gonna focus on Apron and BMRA. These ones are gonna be my main watches, and also Twix, obviously. I like APT, but it needs to break out. Let's see. Oh, BMRA and AIM ticks higher. Very good. mRNA still going. Oh yeah, nice. And WTRH I'm probably ignore unless it goes really crazy. I'd rather trade Apron because it's higher priced and more. I had a nice trade on this Apron yesterday, a quick short, but I think I'm gonna do more size today and go for a bigger move. Okay, markets are open. Good luck. Looks like I missed this BMRA, or no, I didn't. Still time to add to this. Took a starter on it. Oh, AHPI. Oh my God, from yesterday. I tried to buy it, but I didn't feel it, and I didn't want to chase it. Oh my God. Oh, I didn't want to. Got stopped out of this AYTU. There's no choosing for now. I got stopped out of BMRA on the starter. On the Apron too, also on the starter. These things need to play out a little bit. Spicer look. Oh, I didn't realize that Apron got halted. This is about to test yesterday's highs, the 1,000 area. Yeah, this AHPI. Wow, it went. Oh, AYTU near highs for the day. Interesting. IFMK. Yeah, I don't know what this thing is, but oh, groceries. Yeah, grocery stores have been big. Kind of funny. Who would have thought grocery stores would be a leading sector? Pretty amazing. Groceries. See, wait, is Apron? No, BMRA. Yeah, this is hot. Wow, up 100%. I'm looking for entries. I'm not in Apron and BMRA, even though they are in my position. I just keep them here because there's so many things in my watch list, and I'm ignoring. Apron, wow. What are these other things? Spice or... Oh, never mind. I thought of the minute chart. Never mind. We're still holding firmly below these declining 10 and 20 period moving averages, the minute chart. Wait, BMRA, oh, it's halted again? They opened it for 10 seconds and now it's halted again. Yeah, this is not a tradable stock right now. It's not a tradable stock right now. But what's this WTRH? Okay. I got some on Apron on this break of the previous 5-minute candle. See if it can... Wait, Apron got... Oh man, these things are... You gotta be quick. Codex. It does look good on the chart does look... Do you buy any stocks? I have no idea what you mean. I wasn't buying any stocks for some Corona stocks or a month ago. Wow, BNTX was a short yesterday. Let's see, okay. BMRA gap entry level. Wow, BMRA. We're so fast on this. Incredible. No, it's not. I just haven't updated. I haven't updated the headline for the stream for a whole week. I figure big numbers is what get people's attention, so I'm just keeping that. Unless I have another big number up or down to update it with. Hopefully, I can write a $1 million gain on Twix soon. I don't know. I'm looking for backside. I have a starter since pre-market, wide stop. Like my mistake is I've been trading it too much on front side, like taking small starters and getting stopped out of them. And the $1 million loss was obviously like a black swan event. It closed on backside, and the next day or on Monday over the weekend opened up like 40%, 50%. I don't even remember where it was. Yeah, it was down here. So that was... Oh my, give me a chance for an ad. Oh. These things are so hard to trade. How do you trade these things? They're halted for 5 minutes and they trade for 5 seconds and they get halted again. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be grateful I have a starter. If I hadn't had a starter, I would be very unhappy now. More unhappy than I am. Oh, come, look at this move. down 27%, and he has traded for like 10 seconds total. BMRA2 down 26%. He has traded like 10 seconds total. Really? Things you can't trade these things. Okay, HDBX. I took 100,000 shares starter before. If it starts breaking highs for the day, I may add more. It looks very good. At a PR, it looks good. 50-minute chart and the daily. This AYTU is also. I got stopped out earlier from pre-market, but it's firming up and it's getting some decent volume. Yeah, WTRH. God! Oh, these things, man. Yeah, and and this is the one that actually would have given an entry where I could have done some size, and this is the one I chose to, just because there were so many of them. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta be ready to cover some APRN. How long have they been halted? These things are so hard to trade. So they're usually halted 5 minutes. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, so this is minute 3. Okay, 2 more minutes. Yeah, sorry for that. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna yell anymore. It's because, you know, sometimes when you 6-figure trade because you're not fast enough, it's a bit frustrating. It's a little bit frustrating. I'm not gonna yell anymore. I mean, this is an environment you have to have like 4 hands, 2 heads, and like 8 monitors. Okay, a lot of names. You can't hear my system sounds, right? I disabled it, but you still can't hear my systems. Like, you can't hear my TC2000 alert, except for the sound that comes with the mic. Yeah, okay, good. Just have to double check. Wow, Tesla had a nice bounce. Holy shit, what a candle. Man, you have to be so fast in this environment. Tesla was the main one I was watching, but there's just things I watch. I keep an eye on everything. Uber, oh my god, Uber, look at the range breakout. This is a large cap stock up 20% from the opening range. Whole BMRA only down 33. BNTX. I was actually looking at BNTX on this little formation yesterday, but I just didn't have any. I didn't think it was gonna crack. I was hoping it would have another leg higher, but yeah, in hindsight, there was an entry here in the mid-low 90s. All right, let's see BMRA. If we get a bounce back to VWAP. There could be an entry there. Where is the VWAP? It's 19. That's the thing. If you include the pre-market chart, VWAP is a different level. It's all like 70 cents lower. I'm gonna. Oh, I can't put an order, but I'm gonna try to get a starter on BMRA at 20. Okay, Apron. I'm covering some. Let's see how much is it down. Nope, I'm covering more. Yeah. Okay, I covered most of my starter. And this is also same thing. 25 is the VWAP. I'm gonna try to short 25 if it's up there. Tilray. Yeah, Tilray is down almost 90% in the past month. I mean, I remember when I lost 700,000 on this shorting it. Too bad you have to pay so much money on the hard to borrow stocks. So hard to hold a short amount of time. WTRH is bouncing back too. I'm gonna ignore that one. A nice bounce. I don't like these types of environments. There's just too much going on, and it feels like I'm getting in on the wrong ones. A lot of things are bouncing here. Oh, TQQ is already green. Nice. This TQQ, this thing could easily bounce like 20, 30, 40% over the next week or so. Wow, Tesla. What a move. What? Looks like we are gonna get a bounce day. A lot of these super beaten down names are bouncing. TVIX. I'm gonna add through the lows so that, like, once fear starts to go away, I think there's gonna be a big. Wow, this net is in 4% in a couple. All right, now the spies are bouncing hard. Can BMRA print 20? That would be great. There's not even any point in looking at scans. I have barely looked at scans the past few days. There's been so many stocks. There's been way too many stocks to keep an eye on. NVAX, wow. I'm kind of fatigued. Just so many things moving, and I'm starting to lose some focus. I'm gonna focus on the ones I'm with. TVIX, BMRA, Apron, WTRH maybe. Oh yeah, now things are getting interesting on TVIX. I've seen speculation that TVIX could break I don't know if it's just wishful thinking, but I've seen some posts on Twitter from people who actually understand how this thing with a VIX. That would be great. But I'm happy if I make 50. Yeah. Let's just please speak English in chat so everyone understands. But yeah, it could be the short of a lifetime. Could also be a blow up of a lifetime for many. I know that there are several people who blew up on. I don't know personally, but I've heard several blew up on this thing, trying to short it. The one guy blew up, I think 300 or 400s, and I mean I think there's a lot of people who blew up shorting. Funds I don't know, but individual traders. I don't know how big accounts they had or anything like that, but the worst thing is not if you blow up, but if you short something, you can lose more than what you have. So if you start owing money, that's not great. If you blow up and lose more than what you have. HD move higher, less. Damn, Apron, I didn't get BMR. I may. Oh, ape, no, fuck, no. Don't do this. Bad boy. Very frustrating. Maybe we get more opportunity on it later in the day, but right now, man, you had to be so quick. What's this AHPI doing? These things rarely make a second time around, but yeah, I'm very frustrated. I was trying to get in sub 16 yesterday. No, wait. No. Sub 15. I had bid $15 or $14.95, and it dipped to $15.22 and went up 80% after that. Fiverr? Wow! That's one hell of a candle. Holy shit. Oh, BMRA. I almost got... Oh, I got filled on some. Nice. While Apron is halted to the downside again. I'm gonna cover as soon as they unhalt it. I got filled on some Apron. Not enough. Wow, some of these bond funds and ETFs, I can't believe the things. Holy shit. I don't have any target on it. I'm gonna cover some when it gets unhalted, and maybe it goes red, I don't know. I have too little size. Yeah, 50, yeah, sure, 50. Look, this thing could be back to sub 10 tomorrow, but there is some support in the high 60s. I just wish it doesn't go lower for now. I want it back to mid 20s, but probably not gonna get what I want. Yeah, but another couple of bucks, very absolute. Fiverr, holy shit, 58% candle, amazing. Okay, so I'm short some BMRA again. Oh, I think I forgot to clear my flags before today's trading. Yep, but to do it, I'm gonna do it now. Flag all of these things again. TDOC near 52-week highs, or near all-time high. Some of these are gonna be some great tomorrow and next. Some of these stocks having like 50% bounces right into declining moving average. RNG and oh, APRN. Oh, covered some. Okay, I only have a tiny left from my starter. Pretty much nothing to care about. I'm not gonna cover it unless it goes tiny left. Man, if I had gotten full size on a, that would have been a very good thing. Something I haven't seen for the whole week so far is individual stock trades, and now there's a lot of individuals setting up. Wow, Gilead is up. Anyone see this DWT from yesterday? This thing is down 42% from late yesterday. Now why can't Twix... Oh wow, another bond ETF. Total blow up. Another one. Oh, what's this? Oh, Apron is going red. Oh, and they halted it again? Jesus Christ, Apron. Now I'm happy I got a starter on it, but you missed this literally 1 minute window. You missed the 35% fade. At 1 minute, less than 1 minute, or at least I had, the way I traded. Less than 1 minute, incredibly fast market. This is probably one of the fastest markets. There's been so many fast moving stocks past weeks. Never seen it. Oh, this thing is gonna go to $5 today. Oh my god, it has that look. It's gonna go to $5. Someone like an hour ago. I hope you traded it. Okay, apron, I'm all covered up. That was one hell of a trade. All covered up. The stock is down 47% from the highs. I don't think it has more downside today, maybe a little bit. And it's down about 40% from my entry. I'm done with it. I made 6 figures on a starter. And I took a loss on my first starter. I mean, if I got a full size, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. The move is so big. You can make so much money or lose a lot of money too, if you're not careful. Range is so big. Incredible. Oh my God. I got half size. No, not even half size. Maybe. Hopefully it bounces back to low 20s or something. But right now I'm taking it off radar. Maybe we get another entry on it in a few hours. Whew. Now I wish BMR8 does the same. It needs to break this $18 area. It is building lower highs on the 5-minute chart right now. But this BMR8, this thing could go red. Or maybe not red, but I think it could go to low teens. Just like this BNTX. Well, took 1 day to crack. Yeah, okay. Man, Uber from the opening range highs. Ultra liquid. This thing could bounce back to 2025 over the next. Oh, BMRA, I did. Shit, I forgot to add. Oh, okay. Oh, I was doing some other stuff. I missed the ad. Fiver all the way back into range. It was a quick squeeze. How long is it halted for? Another 2 minutes. Oh my God, you got to be kidding me. Oh. Apron, oh my God, it printed 1030, 1025, oh my, I can't. Are you kidding me? It went down 64% from the highs. Holy shit, did I underestimate? I covered my last shares at $16. I could have made another 100K on it if I had a bit more patience. Okay, now it's gonna bounce. Oh my God. Now, why can't BMRA do the same? Unfortunately, I don't have full size on it. Gotta cover some here. Yeah, I know, APRN is just... I can't believe... Oh my God. And I can't believe how quick you had to be on it. Look at this thing, it's almost all halts. I hate when stocks do like trade in halts. It's so tough to trade them. It really is, it's super hard. Unless you're like in it already and have great. Okay, let's see if BMRA can do the same thing. BMRA, unfortunately, I don't have a lot of size on it. Got stopped out of this ABX. No juice on it. Okay, I cover some more of this BMRA. Oh yeah. Spice got rejected perfectly off this declining 20 period line on the 60-minute chart. Let's see if it can reclaim it. There's gonna be an air pocket to the upside if it can. So far, PMA not following this. Wait, is it halted? Apron halted again. Hey, maybe it can make a reverse stair step back to low 20s. That would be great. If we can retest VWAP. Hold. I would love to trade it again. Do one more scan and then I'm gonna cut stream probably. Oh my God, what a day. Holy shit, I hate these kinds of opens when there's like 100 things going on at the same. It's like the worst thing ever. What are you guys trading? If you're trading, it's okay to not trade in this market. It's completely okay. Things are very fast moving. If you're like 10 seconds too late, you miss a trade, or worse, you have a big loss. It's really a special type of market right now. Twix, APR and BMRA, same as me. Okay. WTRH, okay, that's the one I passed on. But yeah, it's the same thing. This APRN and WTRH. I just chose to focus on APRN because it's higher priced, the more. I generally don't like to short name starter that are like sub 5. So that's the reason I didn't. But if we didn't have APRN, I would have been all over this WTRH if that was the only. Pablo's 4444. What's the link you are? What's that? What's that link? It's forbidden. No, but what is it? No, but you are putting some. Is it spam? I'm too afraid to click on it. It's the second time you're posting. It's spam. Okay, Pablos, you're gone. This is page where it's possible learn trade. Can you guys okay. Is it spam or is it not? No? No, not spam? Social trading game. Okay, then I click it. Okay. Because when someone posts unsolicited links, I get a little bit... Oh, okay. Oh, it's a game. But I'm not gonna sign up. Okay. Someone says spam, someone says no spam. Yeah. Okay. All right. The best way to learn how to trade is to actually trade. I'm not a fan of like paper trading and stuff like that. Yeah. The best way to trade, especially today, in today's world where you have free trades, it's just so easy. You can trade with like no money at all and just learn. You know, just put in like $1,000 or something. Trade with that. Yeah, exactly. I have no emotional trades. I remember when I started trading, I traded from a Swedish broker, and I had to pay, like for every trade, I had to pay a currency spread, and that like enormous commission. So like I could buy a stock and then sell it for break even, but I still lost like 5% on the trade or 5% on the position just because of. So I'm kind of. Today, when you have free trades and all, it's pretty nice. But that was from a Sweden, obviously. I switched to an American broker later on. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So I had a period of like 6 months. I look at my results. I was break even. Like on paper, I was break even or even up a little. But in reality, I had lost like 50% of my money, just because of the commissions and the currency exchange and all of that bullshit. I think we're gonna, especially if we have a gap up in the markets tomorrow, so I think we're gonna have some epic short opportunities in some of these large cap stocks. Like look at this well tower. This thing is up 68% since yesterday's lows. Like if this thing can, you know, push gap up to about 50 tomorrow, it's gonna be up 100% from the lows. CMG 30%. Yeah, there's gonna be some. If we have some follow through, we may not have it. Something is wrong with my voice. Is there? What's wrong with my voice? Can anyone else confirm? It's a sexy one. Yeah, this Pablo's dude. I don't know what the hell you're doing. You're sending some weird links. Look, finish him? No, not yet. I got some more ads on BMRA. No crazy size, but. And obviously I'm gonna size down if... Guys, did you see the Escobar phone? Like Escobar's brother has a smartphone company. And they released a phone. Guys, did you guys see it? Exactly, it's a Samsung with a complete fraud. So the people who ordered the phone, they didn't get the phone. I think they got the book or something. Like, or a book or some kind of a DVD, or not DVD, like something like that. They got something unrelated. And this Marquise Brownlee on YouTube, he scratched the surface and it was a Samsung logo underneath. It's just so funny. Oh my god. I mean, CEO of that company is like, it's a Swedish guy. These guys are so, I mean, I don't know. I think they're based in Venezuela. Like, even if they don't go to jail in Venezuela, this guy will never be able to leave Venezuela. He's probably not gonna be able to come back home because he's gonna get arrested. It's such a fucking fraud. Escobar phone. It's a they have this gold surface on the back side of the phone, and you scratch it. It's a Samsung. Oh my god, it's too funny. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's a Samsung Fold. It's a regular Samsung Fold. They just put their own logo and this gold. I don't even know if it's real gold. It's probably not. It's maybe a plastic. Yeah, it's probably a plastic. Dumbest thing. Look, how did it? Incredibly dumb. Stupidity is all-time highs. Okay, BMRA. So far it got rejected off the VWAP, which is a good sign. I hope it can go sideways for another couple of hours. Okay, Twix is still building higher lows on the 6-minute chart. I still have a starter, but it really needs to get the backside for me to add any. It's the intraday range on SPICE today. 5%, it's incredible. I'm gonna show you something. The average daily range in the SPICE from early November to late January was about 0.5%. And now it's almost 5%. The range on the spice is 10 times what it was here during this run up. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. Wow, spice did get into my ETF scan. That has never happened before. Incredible. What's Apron doing? If this Apron can get back to high teens, be so. Alright, I was about to 10 minutes ago. So yeah, thanks for joining today. So there's a guy on Twitter who claims he thinks VIX will go down 200%. I really don't understand the math. So if it goes down 200%, it's gonna be at minus 950 if my math is correct. I don't really understand the math. His logic is 2-3 leverage. So just because it's leverage, he thinks it can go down more than 100%. Okay, all right, okay. We'll see about that. I do hope this thing breaks, like it gets halted, and you know, just like XIV did a couple of years ago. It goes down a certain amount, and they just the velocity shares, they just cancel it. Yeah, exactly. But no matter what, it can't go down more than 100 because it's leveraged. It can go down more than 100%. But he thinks it can. So yeah, I don't know. All right. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna cut the stream now. So thanks for joining. I hope you have a great trading day. And remember, it's okay not to trade if you're unsure. See ya tomorrow.